let's kick the tires on this super wide steel floor car hauler. Hey guys, welcome back to the Virtual Tire Kicker series. Today we're looking at a B5 model from PJ Trailers. This is a super wide car hauler. Let's check it out. All right, the B5 is the super wide, 102-inch wide car hauler equipment trailer. And this one has a steel floor. We'll just start at the front and get into it a little bit here. So you're looking at an adjustable 2 5/16 coupler with the Demco Easy Latch. My favorite coupler right there. The B5 has a 5-inch channel frame. I'll show you here. It is 5 inches. Now that tongue goes all the way back to the axles as well. You got a 7,000-pound top line jack right here. Your spare tire mount is right here in the center. You're looking at your little battery breakaway box right here too. Let me look at this plug. So with PJ, you've always got a cold weather wire harness and then a 7-way plug, RV style. There's your little breakaway. All right, let me come around here. So 102 inches wide means from rub rail to rub rail. Let me get a measurement for you here. All right, 102 inches wide. So the steel floor, you've also got the D-rings right here in the floor on all 4 corners, and you've got some swivel D-rings all over the place here. So with the rub rail, you've also got the pipe spools and the stake pockets. So really just tons of tie down points all over this trailer. You're looking here at 5,200-pound axles, and that's paired with a 225/75 R15 8-ply radial tire. Once again, I'm sorry for the mud. Can't stop raining out here, so it will wash off. These drive over fenders are, here we go, 9.5 inches wide, and these are made out of 1/4-inch diamond plate. You've also got a hefty support bar right here in the middle on each fender. These fenders are rated at 4,000 pounds a piece, and your fender height right here, it is 8 inches tall. All right, coming around the back, you see it's got the 2-foot dovetail back here as well, and it's got some swivel stabilizer jacks right here. You just pull the pin out and swivel it back around. That way you've got extra support as you're loading up any kind of equipment just for the rear frame here of this trailer. As I mentioned, that 5-inch channel tongue and frame comes all the way back here to the axles. All right, your ramps pull right out the back here. Let me grab one. All right, these ramps are made out of 3-inch channel. They're 5 foot long, slide right out the back. They're about 13 inches wide. There we are. And even the cross members are made out of channel. Really heavy ramps. Those look like formed hooks here. All right, this steel floor is 11 gauge or 1/8 inch thick diamond plate. Let's get underneath the trailer a little bit here. All right, looking at your cross members, these are 3-inch channel cross members. They are on 16-inch centers as well. Of course, the great thing about a steel floor is that it's never gonna rot away. It's kind of a lifetime floor. It's fully primer powder coated with PJ's powder coat. Got the rub rail up here in the front. All right, let's check out this VIN sticker as well. As you can see here, GVWR is 9,899 with 5,200-pound axles. Now, this trailer empty, with it being a steel floor, it's usually a little heavier than with a wood floor. So this trailer empty weighs about 3,300 pounds. So you're still looking at roughly about a 6,600-pound payload remaining on this trailer. Thanks as always for checking it out and kicking the tires with me. We'll see you for the next one.